Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and if your window looks like this from all of the up and down where the trim has not been cleaned out and it's scratched your window, here's a really easy fix with some car wax. So put it on good and thick, let it dry completely, and what we're going to use is the mother's ball. So this is used for polishing. So you're going to put this into a drill, and then you're just going to go to town with it. Look at that. That's way good. Look how clear that is. That's way nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Looks like a brand new window there now. So you really want to clean out right here where that window goes down in here. Nobody ever cleans that, and that's where all the dirt and little rocks get stuck, and that's what's scratching your window. So clean or even replace that. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I have plenty of videos that are similar to this, so check the video description for that. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.